The APJ Abdul Kalam Award for Teacher of the Year 2021 is awarded by Delhi Gynecologist Forum to Dr. Geetendra Sharma for his great contribution in establishing PGCC, DLF, DGF, MLS course. Dr. Geetendra Kumar Sharma, MD Obs and Gynae, is practicing gynecologist and obstetrician in Ahmedabad for 28 years. He has also done his graduation in law, LLB, with 15 gold medals and topped in Gujarat University. Dr. Geetendra has an interest in academics and has authored various books like Law in Obs and Gynae Practice, Consents in Obs and Gynae, Laws a Doctor Must Know. Dr. Geetendra has given more than 1,500 lectures in various national conferences in India. Dr. Geetendra Sharma is Vice President-elect FOGSI 2022. He has chaired Ethics and Medical Legal Committee, FOGSI, in 2017. He was President AMOGS 2016 and 2017 and hosted AICOG in January 2017. He was also Honorary Joint Secretary SOGOG 2017-19. Dr. Geetendra Sharma wishes practicing gynecologists to know medical legal aspects of law and was instrumental in bringing out this unique medical legal course for practicing gynecologists of Delhi Gynae Forum. We wish him success in all his future endeavors.
Happy Independence Day to everybody. And I am fortunate, you may not be knowing that I am the life member of DGF. So, no place is better than our hometown to get such award. A few years back, when I met very first time Dr. Alka Kriplani madam, she gave me one mantra that elections जितने हो ना उनको avoid करना चाहिए और अच्छे से सबके साथ अच्छे से रहना चाहिए. And that advice was very good. I tried a lot. But what happened that I went into election for VP. And that was only blessing to me because once I became the contestant in that election of Vice President West Zone, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, is a good friend of mine, colleague in Ahmedabad Obstet and Gynec Society, he advised me, directly आप image शारदा मैडम को मिलिए. जैसा कि मैडम ने कहा था, I directly came to Delhi, met madam, and that was the day I was completely blessed by her, and absolutely change in my vision came after that. Election side mein reh gaya. We discussed many things about medical legal. We discussed many things. All our fraternity members are suffering in medical field, and she advised me that you should do something for our fraternity members so that they will not be affected. And the one thing came in our mind that we should start one diploma course for our fraternity members because as Alpesh sir has mentioned once, first word that prevention. So prevention is better than cure. When something happens, it is very difficult to cure it. So it is always better to prevent litigation in medical legal field. And there is only one way to prevent litigation, that is by acquiring knowledge. So we started PG diploma course. We started distributing knowledge through different webinars, even other than our medical legal diploma course. And till now, I think that we are successful. And this award, I can say, is the certificate to me that I have been successful in distributing my knowledge in medical legal field. 1 minute over, madam. From the inner of my heart, I am blessed by the blessings of Dr. Sharda madam, Dr. Alka Kriplani madam, and all my seniors, Dr. Pratima madam sir, and all members who are present here. My hometown is Delhi, and I love Delhi. I am delighted by my heart. Thank you very much.